Hello, this is another video on solving the Zodiac 340. Here's some ideas. I haven't fully established this. These are just things I'm working on, and you'll be interested nonetheless by what I'm showing here. I first just want to recap about the 340 here. It says working puzzles, cryptograms, and word puzzles. So that's what I say the 340 is. It's just a word puzzle, as my work has shown. My name in the papers, he's just being smart, and the missing E above the word best, as there's the error E in the 408 below the word best. There's just too many coincidences for it not to be all best, believe me. Again, this is proving that the best wishes is Zodiac, because reverse Q was only M, and he sent it in with FKLM, and then the 340 arrives, and the reverse Q has got the K, the F, and the symbol for L, so that's how we know that's an L, and that's reverse Q with that M down below. So we do 100% know best wishes is Zodiac. I just wish to quickly highlight this, and there's other examples. You have to watch my video. Stroke and the R, so that equals that. The Z equals N equals that. But the point I'm showing is he just moves things across one, and I'll show a few examples of this, and I'll get to my last find. Again, this is reverse way. It's like gone down one. You know, when you see it a few times, you know it's deliberate. You know that the cipher is not a normal cipher, and it is what I am saying, a puzzle cipher. Again, the word boy, 408 boy, and this one again, how he's done this. So I've noticed in all my finds, no matter what I did, like L-shaped words, you look at the Halloween card, the by knife, by fire, and then one of them is just a straight line, but the others are L-shaped, and that made me look for L-shaped words, which I did find. Again, I'm just highlighting this. Another example of this is like Gary. The letter G equals A in the 408, so he's got GA. Y, so it's anagramming, but it's the same here, and you have to watch my other videos. The boy, as I was saying, the sun coming up here, like you've got Van Best written here without vowels, and then you've got the word sun coming up with FTDSON, and this one here has got the S and the N, like it's FN, but the N is the O as well, because N equals O in the 408, so spelling sun shortened, like it's got speaking down here, so there's things he's doing, and this is what I wish to show. These are the boys that are showing and what appears at these locations. The first wish thing I wish to show you is this, that there was 3 L symbols in the 408, and as if you got the B black square, this square, they're all the L's in the 408, and as if like they're coming out every second one, and it's not deliberate, like he's still using all of them as L. And then he's done the same here with N's, as if you're going to get 3 N symbols, so you got LN, LN, Ellen, and that's the name of Judy's middle name, was Judy Ellen Chandler, so it's a bit strange. We've got Ellen, 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 and you sort of got like her body. So he, in my opinion, the 408 keys were actually keys for the Zodiac 340, and on top of that, like they said, because they cracked the 408 so easily, he made it so hard. But no, he had the 340 done way back when he wrote the 408, and he's just tricked everybody. Simple as that. Just going on this again, I'm working. This is not where I'm going. What I'm showing, but so these are the boy loins. As I said, we've got the reverse Y, which is the Y, for example, as he has reverse N on the Halloween card. So I just reversed the J, doing the 408 key, so I've got the Ellen, and once again this square 0 is up here with this boy as well, the square 0, so we're Ellen, and we've got the Y equals U, Judy Ellen. And then I went down to this one, and also the Zodiac Z13 is in this line as well, and that's why I believe the Zodiac Z13 is not a proper cipher. It's just him giving a clue to this. But again, I've got the N and the V, so Van, and anagramming sun, because there's a K which equals the S, and E Van, son, Judy Ellen, Ellen, you know, just, and this is what I mean, I did not find this, somebody else did. And these symbols here, they're probably cattle brands. There's a cattle brand book you can look for California 1962s on the internet, like the comic, the VFL symbol he's got. Again, that's just a Zodiac brand, and that's what he's trying to symbolize, long story short. And like people say the name is Kane, but I do believe the word name is correct, but I do believe it's more like the bookman, because Earl sold books. And I'll just quickly show here, this is the W here for Earl, because the W is the, again, proving why did he choose W as E. And again here we've got EARL, and we've got best here. That's like you, my name, with the boy here reversed in the same pattern as the 408 cipher. But we've got that W here. If you look at that one, even that one, but the one that creates L looks like the V and the N. You go to the Melvin card, Happy New Year, you'll see the same type of N, which is a VN, Van Earl Best, which is writing his name. Yeah, so that's what I was just showing before. Yeah, just recapping that, just a different picture. So this is where I'm going with this one. So again, there's only 2 reverse J's in the entire Zodiac 340, and it's very peculiar, as I've shown before, that symbol Y, literal Y, and that's probably simple T, and that's probably a T. I'm not 100% on this, but I'll explain. And then we've got this, so this pattern, again, it's, this one is down and across 2. So here we go. And so this is what I've done. So I decided to do this. How is that? That's pretty tricky. I thought, I wonder what he's doing. And I believe there's more to this. Like, this cipher has done my head in. I have done a lot of work. My videos could be a bit slow, tedious, but you do learn, you do consider, and you can make your own conclusions. And even doing this, I'm seeing different things, which is very strange. Very strange. Anyhow, and this is what I got. So I got all these and I lined them up, and I was trying to work it out before, and now I just remembered, because I had the U here, and I was saying, well, how did I get that U? And now I just remembered what I did. So we got this line here. Again, I concluded that you have to watch my other videos. The reverse B is the S, and then we've got the B, the E, and the T. So we've got best at the bottom one. And then I have sort of done this with the L and the O, V, E. So I've lined it totally up. So love, best, and then we've got the T and the R. And again, you have to watch my other videos before I've concluded this R. There's a few examples. I showed you that before. We've got the PAR for paradise as well. That's the symbol for A here. And that's the R, and also the same location in the other one. And the R is also a stroke to the left in the other cipher as here. So I believe he just straightened it up, like as I was showing here. The O symbol up here has got a dot there, but it's exactly the same, just with a dot. So he's just altering things just a bit with the same meaning, and it's thrown everyone into mass confusion. But anyhow, yeah, where was I? Yeah, so that's what I've got. Like, so we've got best, love, L-O-V-E, we've got true love, and that's what I was working on. What's he trying to say here? And I don't know fully. Like, could it be like the Judy, like there's the D there, as I was showing before, and that's that boy line, like Judy, his ex, you know, and like Exy, unless he's trying to write out sexy. I'm not quite sure, you know, but yeah, so that's just my theories. I just thought I'd share these. It's up to you if you believe it, but I'm making a case, as I was saying before. There's like close to no way we're getting these 2 lines here that by sheer chance, when there's only 2 in the whole cipher. That's what I love about it. It's not like there's a whole handful and then you've got it repeating. One is going this way, one is going the opposite way. Again, for whatever reason, we don't fully know, but again, anagramming. And as this guy, John Rose, like, he didn't think, you know, Earl Van Best was a Zodiac. I'm not saying he does still, but he saw in the last line, and he used the best wishes key where you convert the S with the E instead of just E, and it comes out, is all best the photo. You know, it's pretty crazy, the last line of the 408 being solved, and I do believe that solution. Anyhow, thank you for watching, and God bless everybody.